Hey everyone, if you're looking to step up your ice game, whether it's for your home bar, small restaurant, or just hosting big parties, you're gonna want to see this. I'm talking about the ETL Safety and Sanitation Certified Commercial Ice Maker with a drain pump, and it's built to handle up to 400 pounds of ice in just 24 hours. That's serious output. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth it for home use? I asked myself the same thing before testing it out in my own setup. But after running it for a few weeks, I have to say, it's a game changer. First off, the build quality is top-notch. It's made from durable, smudge-proof stainless steel, which means it looks sleek on the counter and wipes clean in seconds. No more scrubbing off stubborn water spots or dealing with fingerprints all over the place. That alone makes daily use way more pleasant. Another thing that really impressed me is how quiet it is. I've used commercial ice makers before, and they can sound like a jet engine trying to take off in your kitchen. Not this one. It hums along quietly, so you can run it in your home bar or even in an open kitchen without it becoming background noise. That's huge if you're trying to keep the vibe chill while still making a ton of ice. Now, let's talk about the ice itself. This machine produces clear, restaurant-quality cubes that look great in drinks and melt slower than your average ice. That means your cocktails stay colder longer without getting watered down too fast. Perfect for when you're entertaining or just trying to enjoy a nice drink without constantly refilling the glass. And because it's ETL certified for safety and sanitation, you know it meets strict commercial standards, so whether you're using it at home or in a small business, you're covered. One of the best features is the two-way water addition system. You can hook it up directly to your water line for a hands-free experience, or you can manually fill the tank if you're not ready for a permanent install. Super convenient if you're renting or just testing the waters before committing. Plus, the drain pump makes emptying and cleaning the machine a breeze. No more wrestling with a bucket or dealing with overflows. Just press a button, and the water drains right out. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the self-cleaning function. I run the cleaning cycle every couple of weeks, and it takes less than 10 minutes. The machine does all the work, flushing out any buildup or odors. No harsh chemicals or scrubbing required. That's a huge time saver, especially if you're running it daily. I also want to mention the LED display. It's straightforward and easy to read, showing you exactly how much ice is being made, the water level, and when it's time for maintenance. No confusing buttons or hidden menus, just simple, intuitive operation. Even my kids could figure it out if they needed to. Now, no product is perfect, so let me give you the honest downsides. First, it's a bit large, so if you have a tiny kitchen, this might not be the best fit. It's designed for commercial use, so it takes up some space. Second, while it's quiet for an ice maker, it's not silent. If you're a light sleeper or sensitive to noise, you might hear a low hum at night. It's not loud, but it's there. Overall, though, the pros far outweigh the cons. The ice quality, durability, quiet operation, and ease of use make this a solid investment for anyone who needs a lot of ice without the hassle. Whether you're a home bartender, a small restaurant owner, or just someone who loves hosting, this machine delivers. So, if you're in the market for a high-performance ice maker that's built to last and easy to maintain, definitely check this one out. The link is below if you want to take a closer look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.